everyone, today's a very special day. It's my birthday and I thought I should say thank you to all of you for being here and for following me and for supporting my platforms. I actually have an eveRIAthing TV show where I feature inspiring stories, inspiring people, and I have this platform, The Real D, Jackie D, where I share my messages and post feel-good videos so that hopefully I can inspire others to also feel good about themselves. This is a very short video, but I thought I should just remind you all that you are special and that you can actually find your place in the sun by just being who you are, by creating your best version, and by appreciating yourself every step of the way. So I hope that you've watched some of my videos about self-empowerment, but I also talk a lot about content creation, filmmaking, looking good, posture, and just building confidence through the way you talk, the way you pose, the way you walk, the way you throw your shoulders, so the way you dress. So I love dressing up, as you probably have seen in a lot of my platforms, especially on my TikTok, because for me that's part of being able to express yourself as a woman. And even as I turn 62 today, I want to encourage everyone to be elegant, to be chic, to dance, to exercise, to go out of your way, to do things that you love to do, to express yourself, to simply be you, to be true to yourself, and to not worry about what people think simply because they have their own opinions of you. Because the opinion of other people is not who you are. It's what you feel, it's what you do, it's how you treat others, it's how you talk about others. That's what actually makes who you are. And beauty outside is always superficial. As you can tell, we can always put makeup on if you want to feel good. We can have our roots colored like I do, because my biggest insecurity is my hair, and so I want to make sure that my hair is always looking awesome. Well, I don't have my extensions today. We're talking about hair, but we're also talking about being true to yourself. So this is my hair, as thin as it can get, but I love my pink lipstick, and so I'm putting this on today. I set my table at home and it's Barbie inspired because I love pink and I love Barbie and I love girly stuff. I love lace and flowers and ribbons and, you know, all those trimmings. It's still very girly. I've never really outgrown them, and probably even when I turn 70 or 80, I will still be loving all of these girly stuff. So you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you can drop by again. If you haven't checked out my channel, my videos, please do so and subscribe and support me in my journey in trying to spread love and empowerment across the globe. So thank you again. I hope you'll follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. That's at The Real D. And of course, I hope you'll subscribe to this YouTube channel, Jackie D. I do have a Facebook page, Building Your Self-Esteem on Social Media, because there's a lot of negativity around social media, but there's a lot of positive points that we can get out of it. So that's what we're focusing on. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.